This whole program for me is like a way to go ahead and teach people that AI is a tool that can make your life better.
Technology definitely plays a huge role in our lives now, and I definitely see it playing even a bigger role in the future.
The AI Family Challenge program is a multi-week course that immerses youth and their families all around the world in understanding AI, what it is, how it's used, and think about what problems in our community could AI solve for us.
அதனால் நிறைய இன்னும் புதுசாக கண்டுபிடிக்கணும், சொசைட்டிக்கு ரொம்ப ஹெல்ப்ஃபுல்லாக கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்.
The more we know about artificial intelligence, the more impact we can make on the community.